Hello friends, welcome to online course First Order Differential Equation. I am Professor Shivaji S. Pawar. Week 3 Applications involving First Order Differential Equation. Now before starting this, week 1 and week 2, that is week 1 First Order Differential Equation 1 taught by Professor Sandeep Maruti Sonone, in which variable separable form, homogeneous differential equation, non-homogeneous differential equation is done. Then in week 2, that is first order differential equation 2 taught by Nitin Abhale, in which I think Bernoulli's differential equation, linear differential equation, and exact and non-exact differential equation is done. Means how to solve first order differential equations, that is covered in week number 1 and week number 2. In week 3, there are some applications of first order differential equation, means why we learn these first order differential equations. So in week 3 we will take applications involving first order differential equation. Now what are the content of week number 3? So lecture 1 is on Newton's law of cooling, means first most important application of first order differential equation is Newton's law of cooling, in which we will take some real life problems. Okay, then in second lecture, modeling of electrical circuit, means we will take some circuit problems using Kirchhoff's voltage law. Then in lecture number 3, applications with Fourier law of heat conduction for circular pipe in which heat flow or conduction of heat, means we will solve some problems on circular pipe using Fourier law of heat conduction. Then in lecture number 4, trajectories of family of curves, means orthogonal trajectories. So we will find some orthogonal trajectories of Cartesian and polar curves. And last application of this first order differential equation is, that is in lecture 5 we will take applications to chemical engineering, in which we will solve some chemical problems. And in last lecture we will revise all these points and we will take some extra problems. Okay, so we will start now actual application. First application is Newton's law of cooling. Now what is this Newton's law of cooling? What is this statement? Means when we use Newton's law of cooling, if it is a process of cooling. So what is statement? Newton's law of cooling states that the rate of change of temperature of a body is proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body and the surrounding medium. Means if it is suppose theta be the temperature of the body and theta 0 be the surrounding medium, means suppose theta be the temperature of body and theta 0 be the surrounding medium, temperature of the surrounding medium, then at any time t, then according to Newton's law of cooling we can write d theta by dt is proportional to theta minus theta 0. Okay, so we can write next step here, d theta by dt is equal to minus k into theta minus theta 0. So why we attach here negative sign? Because as time increases temperature decreases. If it is a process of heating, then take positive sign. So d theta by dt is equal to minus k into theta minus theta 0. So this is the statement of Newton's law of cooling. So using this statement you have to solve some problems, real life problem also you can solve. Okay, now if suppose if it is a process or a body cools at rate k theta, say if body cools at rate k theta and heated at the rate alpha t, then we can write net rate of change is k theta, means cooling at rate k theta and heated at rate alpha t, so alpha t minus k theta. Okay, so d theta by dt is equal to minus k into this, that is alpha t minus k theta. Now we will take some problems on Newton's law of cooling. So first problem is, temperature of water initially is 100 degrees centigrade and that of surrounding is 20 degrees centigrade. If water cools down to 60 degrees centigrade in 20 minutes, during what time will it cool to 30 degrees centigrade? So read problem carefully, listen. temperature of water initially is 100 degrees centigrade, means at time t equal to 0 temperature of water is given in problem, that is 100 degrees centigrade. Initial temperature is 100 degrees centigrade, means at t equal to 0 theta equal to 100 degrees centigrade, and that of surrounding is 20 degrees centigrade. That of surrounding is 20 degrees centigrade, means theta 0 is equal to 20 degrees centigrade. This is given in problem. If water cools down to 60 degrees centigrade in 20 minutes, means if T is equal to 20, then water cools down to 60 degrees centigrade, means this condition. If time T is equal to 20, then theta is equal to 60 degrees centigrade. Okay. So question है, during what time will it cool to 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, मीन्स हमें क्या करना है कि वो जो बॉडी 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड तक जब टेम्परेचर कूल हुआ तो उसका टाइम फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो हाउ वी फाइंड दैट? if we use here Newton's law of cooling, suppose if we take theta be the temperature of body at any time t, then by Newton's law of cooling d theta by dt is equal to minus k into theta minus theta 0. So this is the statement of Newton's law of cooling. Now here theta 0 is the temperature of surrounding medium, that is given at 20 degree centigrade. So theta 0 is equal to 20 degree centigrade. If we take here or if you put here, then we get minus k into theta minus 20. So using variable separable form, this theta minus 20 write in LHS. So d theta upon this theta minus 20 is equal to minus k dt. Okay. Now in problem given that at time t equal to 0, theta is equal to 100 degree centigrade. At time t is equal to 20, means after 20 minutes body cools from 100 degree centigrade to 60 degree centigrade. Means theta varies from 100 to 60. Theta varies from 100 to 60. Temperature time varies from 0 to 20. Means if we take integration of equation 1, this within the limit 100 to 60, 0 to 20, then we can find the value of k. Okay. So in next step, if we integrate that equation within the limit 100 to 60 and 0 to 20. Okay. Then here if you take integration of this d theta upon theta minus 20, its integration is log of theta minus 20. Theta varies from 100 to 60 is equal to minus k into integration of dt is t here and limit varies from 0 to 20, that is equal to minus k into 20 minus 0, means this is minus 20k. So put upper limit theta is equal to 60. 60 minus 20 is log 40 minus log 80. 100 minus 20 is 80. So log 40 minus log 80, using log of a minus log b equal to log of a by b. We can write log of 40 upon 80 is equal to minus 20k. So k is equal to 1 by 20 into log 2, that is equal to 0 0.03466. Now what is our question? Our question is during what time the temperature or body cools from 100 degree centigrade to theta degree centigrade. Suppose that time is, means let at t equal to 0 temperature of body is 100 degree centigrade, and suppose that time is capital T, means temperature cools from 100 degree centigrade to 30 degree centigrade. So next limit we have to take here theta, means temperature cools from 100 to 30 and time varies from 0 to t. So again integrate that equation here using this limit 100 to 30 is equal to d theta upon theta minus 20 equal to minus k into integration of 0 to t dt. Okay, so integration of d theta upon theta minus 20 is log of theta minus 20, limit varies from 100 to 30 is equal to minus k dt or minus kt. Okay, because upper limit is here t, integration of dt is small t and upper limit is capital T minus 0, so minus kt. Here if we put upper limit theta is equal to 30, then 30 minus 20 is 10, so we get log 10 minus log 80. Okay, log 10 minus log 80 is equal to minus kt. Log 10 minus log 80 can be written as log of 10/80. So log of 10/80 is log of 1/8, and log of 1/8 is minus log 8. So minus log 8 is equal to माइनस के टी, ये ऐसा आएगा। यहाँ पर देखो माइनस लॉग 8 इज इक्वल टू माइनस के टी आएगा, ये माइनस प्लस, ओके के टी मिलेगा हमें लॉग 8। सो इससे टी क्या मिलेगा, 1/k इंटू लॉग 8। व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ के इज 0.0346। सो आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन वी गेट आंसर 59.99 minutes, means approximate 1 hour, means in 1 hour temperature cools from 100 degree centigrade to 30 degree centigrade. Okay, then next problem is a body originally at 80 degree centigrade cools down to 60 degree centigrade in 20 minutes. The temperature of the air being 40 degree centigrade, what will be the temperature of the body after 40 minutes from the original? Means इस problem में क्या दिया है देखो, a body originally means original temperature of body is 80 degree centigrade, means at time t equal to 0 के लिए temperature of body given है 80 degree centigrade. This is the original temperature, and वो temperature in 20 minutes, means when t is equal to 20 minutes, टेम्परेचर कहाँ से कहाँ तक कूल हुआ है, 80 डिग्री से 60 डिग्री तक कूल हुआ है। मीन्स टाइम कैसे वेरी हो रहा है, टाइम वेरी हो रहा है 0 to 20, एंड टेम्परेचर वेरी हो रहा है 80 to 60, correct? And the temperature of the air being 40 degree centigrade, means theta 0 is 40 degree centigrade. So what will be the temperature of the body after 40 minutes from the original? Means 40 मिनट में वो बॉडी 80 डिग्री से कहाँ तक कूल हुआ है, वो हमें टेम्परेचर फाइंड करना है। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ कूलिंग वी कैन राइट डी थीटा बाई डी टी इज इक्वल टू माइनस के इंटू थीटा माइनस थीटा 0. Here theta 0 is equal to 40 degree centigrade. Okay, if we put here by using variable separable form, we get this d theta upon theta minus 40 is equal to minus k into dt. Now in problem given that original temperature is 80 degree centigrade, means at time t equal to 0 theta is equal to 80 degree centigrade, and when t is equal to 20 means after 20 minutes body cools from 80 degree centigrade to 60 degree centigrade. So theta is equal to, this is theta is equal to 60 degree centigrade. Okay, so integrate equation 1 within the limit 80 to 60 and 0 to 20, then we get this step. Okay, so integration of 80 to 60, the theta upon theta minus 40 is equal to minus k into 0 to 20 dt. Okay, so if you take integration of this, that is log of theta minus 40 is limit varies from 80 to 60 is equal to minus k into t 0 to 20. Upper limit minus lower limit if you put here, then we get log 20 minus log 40 is equal to minus 20k. So after simplification we get k is equal to, k क्या मिलेगा हमें, 1/20 log 2. अब हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, हमें टेम्परेचर फाइंड करना है आफ्टर 40 मिनट्स में, 0 मिनट से 40 मिनट तक वो बॉडी कितनी कूल हुई। तो नेक्स्ट लिमिट क्या लेना पड़ेगा हमें, सपोज दैट टेम्परेचर इज थीटा इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल टी, थीटा इज इक्वल टू सपोज कैपिटल टी मैंने टेम्परेचर लिया व्हेन टी इज इक्वल टू 40 मिनट, मीन्स आफ्टर 40 मिनट बॉडी कूल्स फ्रॉम 80 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टू कैपिटल टी डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. दिस इज आवर एजम्पशन. Okay, so next limit of integration we have to take theta varies from 80 to t and the time varies from 0 to 40. Okay, so take integration within this limit, and integration of d theta upon theta minus 40, इसका integration आता है log of t minus 40. Okay, log of theta minus 40 and limit 80 to t पुट किया and log a minus log b यूज करके ये इक्वेशन मिला हमें. Log of t minus 40 upon 40 is equal to, here integration of dt आएगा t, अपर लिमिट 40 लोअर लिमिट 0 मीन्स माइनस 40 k मिलेगा, एंड k की वैल्यू जो थी यहाँ पर पुट करके सिंप्लीफाई करके log of 1/4 मिला. ओके, अब देखो a log यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर log a, यहाँ पर log a, सो ये log log गेट कैंसल, मीन्स टेक एंटी लॉग ऑफ बोथ साइड एंड रिमेनिंग टर्म्स क्या आएगी, t माइनस 40/40 इज इक्वल टू 1/4। ओके, सो ये 40 इधर लिया तो 40/4 10 हो जाएगा। सो t इज इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री इज द फाइनल आंसर। मीन्स आफ्टर 40 मिनट्स body cools from 80 degree centigrade to 50 degree centigrade. Now next problem is real life problem. Okay, read problem carefully first. If the dead body is, problem is very interesting. देखो एक dead body दी है. If the dead body is located in a room that is kept at a constant temperature 68 डिग्री फैरेड, मीन्स एट टाइम t इक्वल टू 0 के लिए, एट टाइम t इक्वल टू 0 के लिए डेड बॉडी का टेम्परेचर क्या दिया है, 68 डिग्री फैरेड। ओके, फॉर सम टाइम आफ्टर डेथ दैट इज केप्ट एट कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर 68 डिग्री फैरेड, मीन्स ये क्या दिया है, एट टाइम t इक्वल टू 0 के लिए नहीं। रीड केयरफुली अगेन, देखो यहाँ पर, if the dead body is located in a room that is kept at a constant temperature, मीन्स ये जो टेम्परेचर दिया है 68 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, दिस इज थीटा जीरो, थीटा जीरो इज 68 डिग्री फैरेड। For some time after death, body will radiate heat into the cooler room, causing the body temperature decrease. Assuming that the victim's temperature was a normal 98.6 degree Farad, means victim temperature means at the time of death, यहाँ पर mention देखो, at the time of death means at time t equal to 0, at the time of death वो टेम्परेचर क्या था बॉडी का, 98.6 डिग्री फैरेड था। ओके, फाइंड द टाइम ऑफ द मर्डर, हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, मर्डर टाइम फाइंड करना है। व्हेन, इफ द डॉक्टर अराइव्ड एट 9:40 PM, मीन्स डॉक्टर कहाँ पर कब आया, 9:40 PM को, एंड इमीडिएटली मेजर द डेड बॉडी टेम्परेचर 94.4 डिग्री फैरेड। जब डॉक्टर ने मेजरमेंट लिया तो वो डेड बॉडी का टेम्परेचर था 94.4 डिग्री फैरेड, एंड मेड अनदर मेजरमेंट एट 11 PM, द बॉडी टेम्परेचर एज 89.2 डिग्री फैरेड। सो 11 PM को जब मेजरमेंट किया तो उस टाइम बॉडी का टेम्परेचर था 89.2 डिग्री फैरेड। सो हैव टू फाइंड मर्डर टाइम, मीन्स सपोज देखो यहाँ पर मर्डर हुआ है। ओके, यहाँ पर 9:40 को डॉक्टर आया है, सपोज 9:40 को, एंड उसके बाद 11 को डॉक्टर आया है। ओके, तो हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, यहाँ का टाइम फाइंड करना है, मर्डर टाइम। सो बिटवीन 9:40 को जब मेजरमेंट लिया डॉक्टर ने, उस टाइम का टेम्परेचर क्या था, 94.4 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, 94.4 डिग्री फैरेड, एंड 11 को जो मेजरमेंट किया उस टाइम का टेम्परेचर क्या था, 89.2 डिग्री फैरेड। ओके, सो 9:40 to 11 मीन्स कितना मिनट हो गया, 80 मिनट्स। मीन्स सपोज हियर डॉक्टर ने जो फर्स्ट रीडिंग लिया वहाँ का टेम्परेचर, वहाँ का टाइम यदि मैंने 0 लिया तो उस टाइम एट टाइम t इक्वल टू 0 के लिए टेम्परेचर था 94.4 डिग्री फैरेड, एंड जब 11 PM को उसने मेजरमेंट लिया, मीन्स आफ्टर 80 मिनट वो बॉडी कूल हुई 89.2 डिग्री फैरेड तक। तो हमें जो k फाइंड करना है, k के लिए कंडीशन क्या आएगी, टाइम कैसे वेरी होता है 0 से 80 तक, एंड थीटा वेरी होता है 94.4 डिग्री फैरेड से 89.2 डिग्री फैरेड तक। ओके, उसके बाद हमें मर्डर टाइम फाइंड करना है, मीन्स यहाँ का टाइम फाइंड करना है। तो नेक्स्ट लिमिट क्या आएगा, टाइम जाएगा 0 से t तक, सपोज दैट टाइम इज t, एट t मिनट को मर्डर हुआ है। ओके, उस टाइम का टेम्परेचर क्या था, 98.6 डिग्री फैरेड, यहाँ का टेम्परेचर, विक्टिम्स टेम्परेचर एट द टाइम ऑफ डेथ। सो टाइम वेरी होगा 0 से t तक, नेक्स्ट लिमिट, एंड टेम्परेचर वेरी होगा 94.4 डिग्री से 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So using this we have to solve this problem. So now we will see solution. देखो, suppose if we take here capital T be the temperature of the body and T0 be the room temperature, or theta 0 be the room temperature, that is 68 degree Fahrenheit. Then according to Newton's law of cooling, we can write this: d theta by dt is equal to minus k into theta minus theta 0. Theta 0 is given as 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So put here by variable separable form, we get this. Now at time t equal to 0, t equal to 94.4 degree Fahrenheit, and at time t is equal to 80 मीन्स 9:40 to 11 PM, उसमें 80 मिनट आते हैं. सो आफ्टर 80 मिनट्स नेक्स्ट मेजरमेंट में कितना आया? 89.2 डिग्री Fahrenheit. सो टेम्परेचर कैसे वेरी हो रहा है? यदि इक्वेशन 1 को मैंने इंटीग्रेट किया तो 94.4 टू 89.2 एंड 0 to 80. ओके, देखो ये इक्वेशन मिला हमें. 94.4 to 89.2 dt अपॉन t minus 68 is equal to minus k into 0 to 80 dt. After simplification, the integration of dt is t here. Okay, and integration of dt upon t minus 68 is log of t minus 68. Time varies from, or temperature varies from 94.4 to 89.2 is equal to minus 80k. Put upper lower limit. After simplification we get k equal to this. Okay, उसके बाद हमें फाइंड करना है, जब डॉक्टर ने रीडिंग लिया कब? 9:40 PM को, उस टाइम का टेम्परेचर था 94.4 डिग्री Fahrenheit. सो हमें मर्डर टाइम फाइंड करना है. मीन सपोज एट टाइम t इक्वल टू 0 के लिए डॉक्टर ने मेजरमेंट लिया तो उस टाइम का टेम्परेचर आया था 94.4 डिग्री Fahrenheit, बट विक्टिम्स टेम्परेचर एट द टाइम ऑफ डेथ वो टेम्परेचर था 98.6 डिग्री Fahrenheit. मीन्स टेम्परेचर कूल हो रहा है. और 90 टेम्परेचर लेना है हमें 94.4 डिग्री Fahrenheit टू 98.6 डिग्री Fahrenheit, एंड टाइम लेना है 0 टू कैपिटल T. सो दिस आर द नेक्स्ट लिमिट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. ओके, देखो यहाँ पर 94.4 टू 98.6 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड डिग्री Fahrenheit इज इक्वल टू माइनस के इंटू 0 टू T. ओके, सो इसका इंटीग्रेशन लेके यहाँ पर लॉग चाहिए. log of t minus 68, 94.4 to 98.6 is equal to minus kt. So t is equal to 1 by k into log of this after simplification. And if we put the value of k here, then we get this, means 54 minutes. 54 minutes means देखो अभी मर्डर टाइम क्या आएगा. देखो सपोज यहाँ पर मर्डर हुआ है. ओके, एंड डॉक्टर 9:40 को आया था, तो 9:40 को यहाँ पर टाइम 0 हुआ था. यहाँ से यहाँ तक मीन्स बिफोर 54 मिनट मर्डर हुआ है. बिफोर 9:40 के 54 मिनट मीन्स कितना आया वो? 8:46 PM. सो मर्डर टाइम इज 8:46 PM. So these are some problems on Newton's law of cooling. In next lecture we will take simple electrical circuit, that is problems on Kirchhoff's voltage law. Okay, thank you.